A very good morning. I'm Prama Pandey from Gargi College, University of Delhi, here to speak on the topic how can science help in recuperating Indian economy post COVID-19 pandemic. This COVID-19 pandemic has sent shockwaves across the entire globe, and India is no exception to it. This tiny virus has cost India 69,635 deaths as of now, and there are various models predicting that this number will hike up in the near future. Even in this current scenario, we can see science playing a monumentous role. Scientists are studying the biology of the virus so as to come up with a curative vaccine which would eliminate this disease completely. Unfortunately, this coronavirus has divided our timeline into two. The first one being the pre-COVID times and the other one being the post-COVID ones. And with major challenges being lined up during the post-COVID times, we can already foresee science playing an important role. Of which, firstly, I believe it is very important for our stakeholders to identify and understand the very concept of One Health program. One Health program focuses on studying the effects of environmental factors on human health, and therefore predicting the consequences of such pandemics beforehand, and hence giving us an edge by reducing the frequency of occurrence of such pandemics in the near future. With this coronavirus hitting us badly, especially the developing economies like India, a lot of people are losing out on their jobs, and the marginalized sector being severely affected. So it becomes very important for us to develop certain scientific models which could study the discrepancies between community, and hence the results could be used to increase the efficiency of public-based distribution systems. With work from home being a new normal now, a lot of pressure is being put on our natural resources, for example, electricity and water. And to prevent developing economies like ours, it becomes extremely important for scientists to develop certain crop varieties via hybridization techniques which could withstand such tremendous environmental pressures. To conclude, I would like to say scientists and economists need to come together and function in a mutualistic way so as to benefit the human race and boost the economic regression which we are facing right now. Thank you.